This master bathroom project is brought to you by Modern Home Improvements Corp, wherever you make your dream home come to life. This project is located in Warren, New Jersey. 36-inch pocket door. Slow closing. These are 24 by 12 porcelain tiles on the wall and on the floor, along with 72-inch double vanity with marble top. Touchscreen LED mirrors with a 60-inch soak-in tub. A custom stand-up shower with a glass enclosure, half-inch glass panels with a shower system. Marble mosaic on the floor. "24-inch pocket door. Toilet with a bidet system. Slow closing pocket door. LED dimmable lights. Exhaust fan option, night light, and a Bluetooth speaker built in. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Saturday, 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Sunday, we're closed. Thanks for watching.